You can see we have a default lighting system in Boxshot that you can see the reflection on this. You can go to here, HDR, high dynamic range environment image, HDRI. If we select it, you can see we have a different HDRI. If you go into the setting, in the background, you can turn on the environment to see the environment lighting for this scene. This image around is HDRI. You can see the lighting is calm and lighting the scene. So in an assets HDRI image, you can change it. For example, drag and drop it here. You have to insert it as an environment. You can see the lighting is changing based on this image or this environment. Now, it's very easy. With drag and drop, you can change the lighting, the scene environment. If you don't want to see the image background, go to setting, and then in the background, just plain background. Now you can see the environment, and you can make it a little bit darker to better see. And this is our environment. And in a lighting tab, we have an environment that you can override the color on it. For example, you can see you can override the color, but if you white, it means just image. From here, click it, and from here, you can insert your own HDRI image here from there, okay, from your computer. And in an environment, if you insert it, you can change brightness of that. You can change contrast, gamma, or invert color of that. If you close it, you can change intensity of this lighting. And you can rotate it in this angle. If you better seeing that in a setting, make it to environment, you can see you can change horizontal offset, but vertical offset is not good, but horizontal offset you can rotate and change. For example, lighting are coming from here and affect the object, and you can change rotation. If you click on this, you can change you can insert you can see HDR file. It's a high dynamic range image. That's are lots of them in the internet. You can download free and use it. But here you can change color correction on that. Or if you don't want, you can delete that.